Welcome to I'm Yash Shrestha Raj, and today we're diving into the world of Python programming, one of the most popular and versatile programming languages shaping our future. So, what is Python? Let's dive in and explore. Python is a high-level, general-purpose programming language created by Guido van Rossum in 1991. It was designed with an emphasis on code readability and simplicity. It's known for its simplicity, readability, and vast range of applications. From web development to data science and even automation, Python is everywhere. Whether you're a beginner or a pro, Python has something for everyone. Its community is vast and supportive, making it easier to learn and grow. Super Python syntax =easy and elegant. Its clean and straightforward syntax makes coding a joy. Innovation and making technology more accessible. Python isn't just in labs or on laptops, it's in the gadgets we use daily. Virtual assistants like Alexa and Google Assistant use Python to process voice commands. It's the brain behind IoT devices like smart thermostats and even drones. Some say Python is useless because it's slower compared to languages like C++ or Java. But here's the truth. Python wasn't designed for speed, it's about simplicity and rapid development. Its strength lies in flexibility and the ability to prototype ideas quickly. Next video.